Hello everybody. Hadn't made a video in a while. Hadn't had anything interesting going on but at work. You know, but I got the Pro Charger off. This guy was supposed to buy that thing. He wanted it, but I guess he changed his mind. I never heard no more from him. But anyway, that's the nitrous plate I was running. Y'all, I don't recommend dealing with this guy here. Buy American. that thing was not worth the hassle. Anyway, I got that put on there though. It's just sitting up there. I haven't got it bolted in or the gas. I just got it up there to mock it up and see how things is going to fit. Can't get my distributor in. I got to modify the firewall, move that pinch well or whatever, get it out of the way. And I wanted to see how my I made a homemade linkage for this thing. I think I went to Lowe's and spent $19 on this stuff. Welded it together and got it hooked to the cable. It'll work till it breaks, and when it breaks, I'll just get a regular linkage from Jegs. But hopefully it won't break. But anyway. Don't know how them carburetors are going to do. I got them things used, had them on shelves for years, and I just got them, cleaned them up, and put kits in them, and they seem to be in pretty good shape. Everything, you know, the linkages and stuff ain't wore out, you know. But I may wind up having to get some new carburetors, some tunnel round carburetors, whatever. Anyway, I got to get a another nitrous plate for this one. I made a spacer right there so I could get that linkage and everything made. But got to redo my fuel line, get it to that regulator, and I probably need to bend them fuel lines, do them a little bit different. I don't know how to do that stuff, and very well. Never done it. Anyway, I try to get my brother to do it. My brother, he does a real good job with it, but he didn't have time. Anyway, it'll work for right now. All right. Like I say, I got to take it back off and clean the gasket surfaces and get that firewall fixed. Hopefully in the next video y'all hear it running. I hope that linkage will work. I don't see why it wouldn't. All right. I tell you what, I sure like all that room in here now. That Pro Charger was, man, it ain't for everybody. It wasn't for me, but it wasn't for this engine. It kept lifting the heads on this thing, and you know, but I should have kept running the nitrous and everything, but may take that pump there off and put a mechanical pump on it, and start running this thing on pump gas since it's got that low compression. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good weekend.